Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create an email in Activecampaign, so let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is go into your campaigns window, and you're going to click create a new campaign or select an already existing one. For this tutorial, I'll be creating a new one, so let's just click create a campaign, name it test 3, and I'm going to start from scratch for the standard campaign type. Then once I click next, I'll get to the campaign editing window, and here you can create your email with the email designer. If I click here, you can create one that's text only. You can also use an HTML builder if you want, but if I click create with a designer, I have the option to select some templates, which I can then edit and modify to my liking. I'll select this one. You can also preview them, but I'll just select this one immediately. And then once you're here, you can start editing everything. Now, once it loads up, as you can see, you have blocks which you can add from the right. You have structures which you can add, which are pretty well needed to make everything look well. And yeah, you have a couple of different blocks that you can use. You have image, text, buttons, spacers, videos, socials, HTML, RSS, pretty much whatever you would need. And then once you're done with everything and you're satisfied with how your email looks, you just click either save and exit or next. If I click next, it's going to save all the changes and take me back into the editor. And once I'm here, I can then go ahead and complete the rest of this campaign and then send it over to my contact list that I've selected. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.